done with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here.
Mambo, what 6?
I'm always dreaming about you.
What's up guys, how are you? Mkojetu wangu, bonjour, bonjour à tous. It's your girl, Mwaura, and I'm here back guys with an interesting video. I hope that you all doing amazing. Guys, I really want to do a very quick introduction video. So guys, right now I'm in the supermarket. I'm at Carrefour, as you can see from the background. I'm at the supermarket and I'm doing some little shopping, as you can see right here. I'm doing shopping and I decided let me do a quick intro because sikuwa nimefanya intro ya hii video. So guys, I want you to all to come with me as I do some shopping, 1, 2, 3 things, few things for my house. So guys, keep up with me, come with me and tuende nalo. Hi, fine, thank you. Bayo yogurt. Ndio ininyoroshe. Inyoroshe bili yangu. Gani, hebu nionyesha. Acha ninyoroshe na hii bayo. You all know it's expensive. Guys, I tasted this bio orange. This one. Nimeonja vitu za bure of course, but don't really like it. Let's see if there is another flavor. Mko na another flavor?
Strawberry.
Hiyo ndio naweza chukua. Hii orange, it is not giving. It's okay. Iko wapi strawberry? Strawberry. Okay. No, okay. Si lazima nionje tu. Ama nionje tu? Okay. Nimenunua hii ile. Kiasi ndio sikae na kuonja tu vitu za bure. Strawberry was better and that's why I had to pick one. Just to promote her. It's a lady who's doing her thing. Focus on other things. Na mimi vitu za juu it's a no-go zone. Guys, let me visit this part ndio niweze kufocus Acha nitembea hapa kidogo. Tuone inakuaje. Nisikabia kidogo, bia kadha wa kadha. Mambo? Nataka bia, Tusker Light. Msha change. Inatoka hivi sasa?
Kuna kamera.
Really? Kuna kamera na nanunua. Because they have changed how it looks. So hivi what 6. Yogurt zangu hapa. I think and I've lost my spoon, so I don't know how to go about it.
night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Already gotten my shopping, alafu kidogo nikaingia pale hivyo kuna Miniso. I wanted to check something. Yep. So right now I'm waiting for my Uber, by the way. Nangoja Uber yangu nisha order. So I'm just waiting for it hapa hivi. Yes, and everything is well packed. So nangoja my Uber ndio niende zangu nyumbani. My people, let me wait for my Uber. Alafu with you, let me see you in the house. What's up? I'm yet back home. Nimefika nyumbani and guys, hii nywele already ilikuwa ishanichosha. So I need to relax myself kidogo. Ni feel at home. So guys, nimerudi nyumbani. Vitu kama hivi nafaa niziondoe sasa. Cause yes, nikisha watesa huko nje. That was just a light joke. So guys, nimerudi nyumbani. I've done shopping. Nataka we undo the shopping. Like I want us to unpack the shopping together yenye nimenunua. Okay, so that you can get some of the so that you can see or you can get to know some of the things that I get each month ama nafanyanga kama shopping yangu, you know what I mean. Though I did buy like a bulk shopping, I didn't do a bulk shopping. I just got the things that I had noted I need to get in the house. So guys, without much talking, let me go ahead. So here with me I have like, let me kwanza nishike hii nywele ndio it doesn't bother me. Oh, yes, chenika hivyo ndio I focus. So guys, I have this bag and I have this bag right here. So guys, let me go ahead and show you all what I've got. Though I have this brush. Yes, I got this brush. This is to wash my bathroom, so or the floor, the house floor. And by the way guys, hapa nimekelea beef stew so that it can be getting ready. It's boiling. It's beef nimekelea kwa moto because I want to eat ugali and beef stew. That's what I want to cook, so that I save time. That's why I put it on fire there. Let's focus to the main thing. I've got that brush, then I got this tissue. Yes, 10 plus 2. The reason I got these is because of these two. They are free. So that is it. I'll be keeping my stuffs right here so that you all can get to see. So guys, I'm going to start with this bag right here. Guys, I've got mushroom. If you know me, you know I love me some mushroom. So I got this mushroom and this one inaambatana na this cooking cream. Yeah, I cook them together, so that is it. The other thing I got is this Joy Bakers. I love myself some queen cakes, so I got these 6 pieces from Joy Bakers. Another thing, guys, that I got is Maggi cubes. This is what I use for my stew, and they were on offer, so I got like 2 packets. This is 28 pieces per packet. These ones are going to take me to next year, 2025. Hello, akili mtu wangu. Something else is some tea leaves. So I got these ones, Fahari tea leaves. You know me with the shy, guys. Another thing that I got is this bio yogurt. This is not my go-to yogurt because these people, they exaggerate the price of this thing. So I got this one because this lady gave me the orange biscuit one and the strawberry to taste. So I had now to promote and ndio nisikae mtu hivi, and I don't know hizi siku zimaliza because I lost the spoon that I was given. So have to. By the way, I loved strawberry better, or it tastes better for me, so that's why I promoted her with this one. Yeah, that's the only reason I got this one. Yeah, these ones I'm going to eat them ASAP. Then something else I got, guys, is sugar, guys. I got sugar, Mumias, sugar. 2 kgs. I got 2 kgs of this because, as you can see, my sugar right here imebaki kiasi, so I got 2 kgs of this. And then I got this Del Monte mixed berries. Guys, right now I'm trying to avoid like sodas, nini. It's too much sugar for me. Anywho, not like avoid, you know what I mean? But this time round, these days I'm craving, I don't know what's happening. So I've been craving some 1 to 3 things. This is one of them. So I got these strawberries, mixed berries, I mean. Then, guys, I got me some yogurt just in case. Yep, some Delamere. This is pineapple coconut. I love some pineapple, so. Then, guys, I got some spices. My beef masala inaisha, so nikaongezea hii. Then, guys, something else I got is some white pepper. Yep. Another thing that I got, guys, is, and this packet is, this paper is done, this carrier bag. And guys, we went to pick these things with you all, and hii karatasi inararuka because it is wet. I got them from the freezer, so I got myself some of these juices. Okay, this is the receipt from Carrefour. I'm done with that paper, and let's move forward to this one right here. Okay. My festive bread. Hapa najua unashangaa ni unga, ni mandazi amenunua. This is how they packed my sunlight powder. Just place it somewhere. I see it be a bit too. Then, guys, something else that I got is this. Okay, I got myself some leek. This one, I love it to cook my mashed potatoes, so that's why. Something else, guys, is some noodles. I got myself some chicken noodles. These are 5 pieces. Guys, hey, Nimevunja vikombe zote mtu wangu. Nimevunja vikombe kwa hii nyumba. So guys, nikapata hizi vikombe zinatoka nice price, so why not? I got 2 pieces. Let me see if I'm going to like them, but I like them so far because okay, I just picked them because of they rhyme with my kitchen theme, black and white, something like that. So you see, that's why I just got 2 of them. Testing. Nimenunua hizi mbili. Hizi naweza zivunja tu hapa sana. Ndio nimezinunua. Hey! Let's go to the next one. On to the next one. It's some cola. Nimenunua cola kidogo. Yep. This is 1.25 liters. Then guys, chumvi yangu inaisha, so nimenunua chumvi hapa, can salt. Then my lotion is doing the tingo. Nimenunua Amara. This is what I use. This is the lotion that I use. And yeah. The other thing that I got is some milk. You know me, like shy. So I got this juicy, guys. You saw that vlog, my morning routine. Maziwa iliharibika, and you all know the maziwa that I was using that day. Ikaharibika, I don't know why. So nimenunua, like I bought these KCC milk, and also I got what? I got this Dairy Best. Hii ndio maziwa iliharibika, but I just to pick it because it's been my milk since day 1. So yeah, I got like 5 packets. I thought I got like 6. I thought I bought like 3, but anywho, we shall see. Probably it's still here. Then guys, I got some kitchen towels. I got some kitchen towels, like 3 pieces. You are banai. Right there. And guys, I got some cling film just for my fridge storage. And the last thing in this paper, yeah, it's the last thing, guys. I got maize flour. Amy's. Sijapata kafagara. Guys, I've been eating soko for the last time. I tasted kafagara and it's perfect, but I didn't see it in the supermarket. So nikanunua hii Amy's because pia ni mtu wangu. So that is it. That's the shopping that I've got from Carrefour. And guys, literally that is it. I don't think I have to, I need to turn the camera, but neither turn the camera until I give you a clear view of my shopping as my beef gets ready right here. By the way, kidogo tukoroge guys, nimeingia nimeingia Miniso, as I told you, nimeingia Miniso, and let me show you all what I've got from there. I've got these are pen and these clips for the hair. Guys, looking at them, you already know these are not for a grown up. Yeah, I have this friend of mine, so I got her them, and I'm sure she's going to love them. Yes, that's what I got from Miniso. Let me just turn the camera and I give you a clear view of what I've got from Carrefour. person, that's what's up. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. If you've enjoyed watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, my person, what are you waiting for? Acha kuniangusha mtu wangu. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and make sure that you turn on that notification bell so that every time I get to upload, you get to be notified na itakuwa fresh kabisa. So my person, right now what's remaining is for me to put everything where it's supposed to be. I clear everything and focus on what's cooking right there. Yes, ndio sasa nichangamke, nipike. I hope that I've motivated you. Uende ufanye shopping, ujipange hapa kule and you get your things together. You know what I mean? I want to close this video right here. Make sure mtu wangu, I see you on the next video. Bye for now. Au revoir. See you on my next vlog. Peace out.
Baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want.